Come on, right here. That camera's not gonna do you any justice.
No, you're right.
That was freaking awesome.
The clowns have taken over the haunted hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. We're gonna take you guys through with us to get some scares. And I'm here to tell you these guys are off the chain. You are not gonna wanna miss it. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
Here we go. I cussed before I got in the door. It's kind of hard not to cuss.
I know.
In this one.
Lindsay, I'm scared.
We got this.
Will you hold me? I just try not to lose my clown card, okay?
All right.
No peeking.
Oh.
You think you should go? You look like me! That's cool! Shut the fucking door!
Oh, you made her mad.
Oh boy.
She is mad.
I was supposed to go a little bit up that way, down yonder, somewhere that way, but I ended up here somehow.
You're here to tell us to eat aren't you?
Precisely. That. Nobody told me to leave, and there was nobody here when I got here. Lack of a better word, I run this now. Do you all have a reservation though, by chance?
I think we have a permanent reservation.
Yeah.
See, I can let it slide this one time.
Okay.
I do have one more surprise for you.
Woo! What is this?
Down there.
Joke! What's a joke?
Joke.
Fucking joke!
I'll tell you a joke. You ready for it?
Yes, they're ready.
That was the joke.
Your joke was what? Beat joke. Beat him down. Tyler lost his clown card.
Yeah.
We're so excited that you've joined us tonight! We've taken over this hotel as you've heard, but we've decided that we're going to host a freak show! Just watch your back! You never know what my friends will do! We're gonna come right along here, but I must tell you, our elevator has not been working lately, so you will have to excuse us for that, okay?
Okay. I don't trust it.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Not necessary. Oh, nice. Oh, God. True hotel fashion.
No.
Is he okay?
Oh,
Good
okay.
night.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Where are you going? We're gonna have a little fun.
Oh God.
This is my friend.
Hi.
Give him a kiss.
Mwah.
Oh.
Kisses. 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 Tongue. Tongue. Give it the tongue.
Wow. Yes, buddy.
Clowns, did you see that?
It's not supposed to go there.
Sure.
No, thank you.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No, sir. No, sir.
I don't like this one. Oh no, you
what
shouldn't
is
put that
this?
there.
That's not supposed to go there.
Stop it. Oh lordy. I'm going backwards.
Watch out, Nora.
Backwards. We got silly string.
Somebody's a squirter.
You're one of us now.
Did you think you were gonna get away with nothing?
Bimbo. I love Bimbo too.
Okay, no. We're like 3 rooms into it and look at this shit.
No words. That guy's got a tattoo.
Do you mind if I use
Oh,
you as a ring of bell?
I do mine.
No.
I know she doesn't mind.
Oh, you don't mind?
If I
You don't
do
want to
what?
raise your head as a ring of bell?
Oh, I don't
This
think
what
so.
happened to the last guy that used it.
Ooh.
So I don't.
Wait, what about her?
Yeah.
Oh, I can test it for my ring of bell.
Maybe another time.
This is never good.
Okay,
Never good.
That's scary. What the hell? Whoa. Yes, it's me.
I don't trust you.
I'll make a mask.
What's wrong with your face?
Oh. Okay.
No.
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 We need Lindsay's face. We need Lindsay's skin. Yes. No. I got clown jizz all over me.
I know, me too.
The big rat. No, I don't. Oh, those are mighty soiled. Very soiled. Soiled. Oh, I don't know what happened, but it scared me.
Okay, I'm going.
Hey, yeah. Oh, thank you. Yes. You're the clown toilet protector. Is that a playhouse?
Dude, look at this.
Nope. What's y'all been watching?
What are they doing?
That baby doll don't look right.
Yeah, I would not trust that.
Oh, what in the world is this?
Have you seen her?
I saw a green
She
one.
looks just like this.
But
She looks just like this.
Yeah.
No, it's a real person.
Oh, it's a person.
I promise, it's my twin sister.
Nora,
Oh,
Hi, Lindsay.
oh no.
Y'all a fluff pal?
Fluff pal. Lindsay's gonna get a fluff pal.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm getting one too.
Yes. Oh, there's spiders. Spiders. Spiders.
Oh, you look so
Stop
pretty.
looking at me. Stop it. Tell them to stop looking at me. Oh, there's so many spiders. Oh.
Rodeo clown.
You see though, everybody that lives here all work together to bring me back. And you'll never send me back to where I'm from.
Okay.
You see her, he's where I was. He is where I was. But you'll not send me back to where he is.
That's okay.
Never again. Never again. I won't let it happen.
You have a fa-fa-fa on your butt.
Are we good?
Get back, go back!
Oh my God, FFA man.
Oh, no.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Where did
Go back to the rodeo.
God, my butt hurts.
Here we go.
Oh. Every time. Uh-oh, they know we're here. They know we're here, Tracy.
They can't see us.
Oh no, no, they can't see us. We blend in, we're clowns.
Yeah, we're clowns. They
We're
can't
one
do
of
anything
you.
to us. All right, do not touch
Uh-oh.
this. Do not.
Do not touch the wall. Uh-oh.
There went about a year of my hearing.
Oh no, these creatures, they always want to eat me. What is that? Oh, stop, dang it.
Oh,
Oh, the rotten flesh, Lindsay. Now I'm gonna die here. But you want a little taste? A ground on the ground. It makes you smell rotten.
whoa.
Seems educated.
You smell like the rotten Chipotle. Wow, look who it is. Miss Smith. I know you do. I think if I remember last time you kissed me, you put my pants.
Did you?
Oh my god, seriously, dude?
All right, don't die. Oh,
If you thought you were getting out tonight, stick your head in there and see if the little buddy butt.
what? You gotta stick your head.
God, buddy. I can promise you this. This is the best you've seen in me.
Oh no.
What is it? What is it?
It's you, Tyler. I'll be seeing you right.
Okay.
Oh
Smells like a clown.
no! Hi! Not so bad! No, not so bad, huh?
Come on now.
Oh my God!
That is not a girl left.
You think there's any monkeys in here?
Yes. Whoa, what the heck?
What?
What?
Oh, I said
Okay.
what in the butt? Oh God! What is the world? Stop
No
it!
idea.
It's
Look
farting
close.
on me.
Hello.
I'm okay.
Put this to work.
You scared me.
I think you cracked in here. I did not.
Somebody did.
She might
here.
have. You cracked. Can we just hide?
No, there is no hiding. Whoa, what the heck?
Someone did.
It wasn't me.
See my props?
Yes.
It's in the tool shed. Let's go.
Where are we going?
So much fun.
Oh god,
Don't think for me.
okay.
Not for anybody
Oh,
else.
sure it That was freaking awesome. That was awesome.
Very good.
It's really good, yeah.
All right, guys, up next is a haunted movie theater over in Maryland. You're gonna wanna check it out. I've got it set up for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.